Uh-huh. Clause number 3. Yeah. Uh-huh. Article number 6. Ooh, the oath of office. Yes. Uh-huh. The senators and representatives, before mentioned in the members of the several state legislatures, and all executive and judicial officers, both of the United States and of the several states, shall be bound by oath or affirmation to support this Constitution, yes, with no religious test shall ever be required as a qualification to any office or public trust under the United States. Now, I thought this was very important. The oath of office, yes. All of those that said, well, he doesn't have the right to sue me, yes. You cannot have any allegiance to any form of government. And now you're getting sued. Oosh. The elected and the appointed oaths of office, yes, that could ask any police officer to enter in that driver's license number. And every one of you said, we just cannot support the Constitution of the United States. Congress may require no other oath of fidelity to the Constitution, but it may add to this oath such other oath of office as its wisdom may require. McCulloch versus Maryland. Yes. It may not, however, prescribe a test oath. Yes. As a qualification for holding office, such an act being in effect ex post facto law. Ouch. Ex parte Garland. And the same rule holds in the case of the states. Cumming versus Missouri, Bond versus Floyd, yes, where the Supreme Court held that anti war statements made by the newly elected member of the Georgia House of Representatives were not inconsistent with the oath of office, which pledging support to the federal Constitution. Oh, now this idea, the legislature, courts, and magistrates of the respective members shall be incorporated into its operation as national government as far as the just and constitutional authority extends. It will be rendered auxiliary to the enforcement of its laws. But you don't want to enforce the laws. They, the states, are the instruments upon which the Union must frequently depend for the support and execution of their powers. Indeed, the Constitution itself lays many duties, both positive and negative, upon the different organs of state government. 174, see Articles 1, 3. Look at all those articles, and then you got Amendments 13, 14, 15, 17, 19, 25, and 25. Now, for all of you, yes, that have sworn that you have no other allegiance other than the Constitution of this nation, yes, you had sworn that you would not, without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion, deprive any American citizens of their rights, immunities, privileges. You all are getting super violating your oath. See, I think it's somewhat important, yes, what is known as the Bill of Rights. Yes. And in the Bill of Rights, yeah, you cannot use forgery and fraud. Oh, in the Bill of Rights, you cannot take a citizen's children, yes, without any due process of law. Yes. The No, I am actually suing you for violating your allegiance to the United States of America. Every oath, that said we don't have to do anything. You do. You actually do. You have to remove all the fraud and forgery. Yes. You have to give me a court order that changes my driver's license back to what it was before it was changed. You have to give me custody of my sons. Yes. Because I said I wanted them out of that Quilcene school district. Yes. I realized they were going to graduate in 1900. and somebody decided to change their name that happens to be my name, the name that I put on that.